What's up, everybody? In the next few minutes we'll be discussing SafePal, abbreviation SFP, and with discussing I mean a technical analysis, kind of like a price analysis, and I'll try to do some price prediction as well, although that's always difficult in crypto. Yeah, SafePal is making good moves, although it found a lot of resistance here at 2.12, which I'm not quite sure if we have to worry about that, but that's not the best sign to have, really. Although it did rebound very well with this strong support at 1.67, so that's quite good. Then found some resistance here at 2.35, and it's looking quite strong. It's getting through resistance areas and finding support on top of them, so that is quite good. But yeah, that's only telling you what happened. Now actually let's get into what I think will happen. SafePal is a wallet crypto. I believe they have a software and a hardware wallet with an app. I'm not quite sure what the SafePal coin is used for. Sorry for that, but yeah, probably for staking, security, and maybe something of governance. But yeah, it's rising pretty quickly. In the last day, it did 41%. It's a wallet app. Maybe it has something to do with bread rising as well. The wallet crypto, which was acquired by Coinbase, but I'm not quite sure. And SafePal has a higher market cap already. It has seen some spikes too, like right here. I mean, wow, that's in a matter of 4 hours. Or in one day, it went up to 3.15 since 95 cents. So I'm not quite sure if something like that will happen, but I do think that SafePal can go up even more than it is right now. And SafePal is on major exchanges. On Binance it is, KuCoin, Gate. Yeah, that's about it, but Binance is very big. So I think it is finding quite some resistance here at 2.42. We might see a pullback, I think, to anywhere between 2.2 or 2.12, and I think that we then actually are also going to break through this resistance here at 2.43, and we might see something the same as right here, that it finds a retest off of it. It would be best if that was with trend line, and then I think we're going up to 2.88. 2.88 is my initial price target, which is a little bit, conservative. I think SafePal can go way higher if this is a real bull run. I mean, we're probably going to look at 3.2 and then 3.6, and then ultimately in the long run somewhere between 4.3. Yeah, those are just some very interesting key levels to look for at the if a bull run really does happen, or if we go into a very nice uptrend. So keep those numbers in mind. Big resistance areas around them. But yeah, I think 2.87 is my initial target, and we might reach that within a few hours, but still I want to keep my charts updated, and I think this is the best way to do it. So that would be the best case scenario. So that scenario would be a real bull run, and believe me, a bull run, you are going to recognize it. This is an uptrend, this is a downtrend. Let's see if I can see something more. This is an uptrend. A bull run is something like this. Even less extreme is a bull run. This is kind of a hybrid, because these could be seen as bull runs, but it's finding quite some resistance. So I think this is very likely that this bull run continues up until 2.88 at least. 2.9 to make it more simple, but I think something like this, so maybe a consolidation like this, could also happen, just because price is showing that much resistance at both of these, or after both of these moves. So we could see some consolidation between, let's see, between 1.9 and 2.42. Ultimately, we could also see a consolidation between 1.9 and 2.64. That might be more realistic, a little bit bigger area. So yeah, that could happen, that we find some consolidation, and then after that consolidation, obviously, or not obviously, but I think it is going to pop. You see that happen a lot of time. It might need to go into a small downtrend, and that it will then go up again to 3.6, 3.2, 3.6, and then 4.3 in that order. But that's really long term, so yeah, please keep that in mind. So when do I think this consolidation will take place instead of continuing this bull run? That would definitely be if in 1 day from now we are finding we are still at this price level, or price has found a lot of resistance here at 2.6. I think if that has happened, it's more likely that we go into a consolidation. So please keep that in mind. And yeah, that's my analysis on SFP SafePal. If you have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye!